Welcome to the NDT Corner Platform. Today we'll learn how to use the platform. The first step is to create an account. Click on Register to sign up as a company or an individual. The sign-up process is quick and easy with one step for either a company or an individual. Fill out the required data, accept the policies, and click Register. You have now successfully activated a standard free account. For advanced and sponsor features, go to Subscription Bundles and select the right package for you, whether you're a company or an individual. The second step is to go to Account Control. For a company account, you can enjoy many media and promotional features like post-training courses, jobs, events, offering products for sale or rent, blogs, and many more. Finally, you can promote your company through the platform from here. And for engineers or individual account, you can enjoy exploring the platform by pushing your resume to the market, finding NDT companies, finding jobs, joining training courses, joining events, and learning more about NDT technologies. Moreover, you can shop or find equipment specs through the platform store with easy access. Now, with NDT Corner, you can easily see the whole Middle East and Africa NDT market with just a few clicks. Equipment shop, jobs, build a strong inspection team, promote businesses and products, events, technical data, training courses, and much more. Together, we can pursue limitless dreams. We're happy to see you as part of our family. NDT Corner, a limitless inspection community to go.